Why did Carlee lie? Why did you guys go on national television and tell a lie to the public? Why? Why? Why did you lie, Carlee? Carlee Russell, why did you lie? Jonathan Lee Riches investigates. Why did you lie, Carlee Russell? Why did you lie to the public? Why did you blame a white man? Why did you blame a white man? Why did you blame a white... Don't touch my phone, lady. Lady, don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Why did you... Miss Russell, why did you grab my phone? Why did you grab my phone, Miss Russell? Why did you lie to national television? Why did you lie to national television, Miss Russell? Why? Why did you go on national television and lie? Why did your daughter blame a white man? Why did your daughter blame a white man for a fake kidnapping? Why? Why? Why'd she plead not guilty today? Why, Miss Russell? Why?
All right. Carlee Russell found guilty on all charges. The charges that she should be brought on, should be found guilty of is, I want to say they needed to add catfishing to that. That didn't look like the same person. She's found guilty of catfishing too, apparently. Those 2 days held up being force-fed only Cheetos and being a prisoner must have been real hard on her, because she looked like she looked like a completely different person. That's not the person we was looking for, that the whole world was looking for all that time. But she's found guilty. And I made a video about a month ago called Top 10 Viral Lies and Hoax. Carlee Russell actually made the top 3. So definitely want to check that one out, where I go in depth and details of this whole process of lying and the criminality or lack thereof when it comes to these kind of things. You should be able to click it in the upper right hand corner of this video right now. If not, it will definitely be a video that you'll be able to click on at the end of this video. And in the reports, they are actually upset. They felt like they should have been able to get her for more, but based off with everything that she did, it was categorized as misdemeanors. It's her lawyer, and they're trying to fight it and appeal it. They don't think it should be any time on that. Let's hear what the lawyer got to say. Let's back it up. Let's hear what the lawyer is talking about. I hope they don't say that it's racism, but let's go.
Restitution. Her attorneys do not believe the crime warrants jail time, and they say they can't find another case in the state where someone served time for a Class A misdemeanor. Russell walked into court with her family today. She was seated with her attorneys in the courtroom, who said she was quite nervous.
She has apologized for what transpired. I don't want her to have any type of breakdown or anything of that nature. So we're handling her with kid gloves and trying to make sure her mental state is just fine.
This case will be prosecuted in the Bessemer Cutoff Judicial Circuit, where we do expect the state and possibly the defense to put on evidence. And it's important to note, if this case does go to trial, she will get a jury, which is not available in municipal court. And this may not be the end of it. Today, we learned the state attorney general's office has impaneled a grand jury in this case.
The quick details that you need to know is 6 months for each charge. That's how they're coming up with the year, and it's over $18,000 in fine. The largest one is the restitution, I guess, for all the resources that was used to go and find her. That is one important detail. Another one is more or less, here's the exact quote right here that I was talking about. It says, it's the same as someone who goes out and maybe shoplifts less than $500 worth of merchandise. It's the same penalty. And I just think there needs to be some sort of enhancement when you're talking about being kidnapped and you've been a victim of a serious crime. That's what the chief of police says. They're basically, the lawyer says that my client did not see a baby on the side of the road. My client did not leave the Hoover area when she was identified as a missing person. My client did not have any help in the incident, but this was a single act done by herself. My client was not with anyone in the hotel or anything. He's basically just stating everything that we already know, but he's still going to fight that she should not receive jail time. It's really no case other than she did something stupid. Just have some sympathy. She didn't hurt nobody, but they're punishing her to the full extent of the law based off all the resources that she caused them to have to use. And they got to have something in there in place to where there's a harsh penalty for faking and lying about crimes. I mean, we see that all the time. There's always lies on top of lies. And I hate, I got to go there, but women be lying on men and put, false charges, false accusations, the whole works with that. And there's never really a harsh penalty for the lie when somebody else's life is jeopardized. They're going to try to argue that she didn't jeopardize anybody else's life, but the manpower and resources that were spent trying to find her, that is a factor in the equation. That matters. That absolutely positively matters. So you can't really get around that. You can't get around that. I don't know how they will get around that. And yes, I'm being petty putting it back on there because like that don't look like the same person. But it is what it is. But that's Carlee Russell found guilty on on both charges, and that is what it is. If you want more of this, check out the video top 10 viral lies and hoax video that I did about a month ago, and check that one out. It's a lot of interesting stuff on there. More will be coming out with this. I'll probably report on this a little more, but that's all we got. It's just very basic right now. She found guilty and is what it is.